Okay, here we are. Just finished working on this front end to show you some of the work that we did. Okay, so at this point I had sprayed it down with OSPO, and then after I sandblasted it, then I sprayed it down one more time to wet the OSPO, because that's the only way you can get it off. So then I pressure washed it off, and I dried it off with my air hose and got it clean. So what I'm going to do is take some scuff pads and go over it a little bit more before I paint it, and this is going to be it. I got to paint it eventually. We'll go ahead and paint it. This little brown hue right here is just a little bit of from the water, but that'll come right off. I can just hit that with a little abrasive pad and just knock that right off, and I'll clean it up a little bit more before I paint it, before I spray the primer. But just to show you is where we're at. And if you've seen it before, I mean, it was pretty rusty. So after I do this, paint it, go back, replace a bunch of the parts, and the starter, the alternator, all this other stuff on here, and get this baby ready to go. Okay, all right, that's it for today.